Hi friend, hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Hassan. In today's video, I will share with you 4 particular things that really help you to learning spoken English and also help you to become fluent speaker, and after apply these tricks on disciplined way you can speak English. So friend, without waste time, let's get start the video. Friend, before start video, I humble request to you, friend, if you are very first time on my YouTube page, please give it like, comment, share and subscribe, because friend, your one like, one comment, one subscribe really push me making this kind of content and also help me to learning this language. That's why please give it like, comment and subscribe friend, because friend, your support is too much important in my initial day practice, and that's really helped me to making this kind of content. Yes friend, today's topic is I will share with you 4 things, only 4 things that's enough for speaking English, and that's really help you to speak fluently in English language. Friend, if you want to become a fluent speaker, if you want to become a fluent speaker, if you want to speak fluently, and you think you will one time come you will become fluent speaker, you just need to follow in these 4 things. Without these 4 things, you no need to follow anything, and you no need to grammar, you no need to nothing. Just 4 tricks and tips you can follow and you can speak English as me. I am the best example front of you. I never learning grammar and I don't know grammar, how many rule of grammar. I just know some basic grammar. That's really important, but you can follow only 4 things and you can become a speaker, and when you practice as much as possible, you also be fluent. Yes friend, today's my first topic is first point. You can consider, if you want to become a speaker, you just first need to, my first trick is, you just need to start your speaking. Yes friend, if you want to become speaker, you just need to first start your speaking. Friend, we always think, I want to, when I was not start my spoken journey, I also think I will become a fluent speaker and I will practice English from tomorrow. I never can do this. One time I forgot each and everything and just start my practice with help of my mirror and help of my mobile front camera. That's why friend, I suggest you, when you think to learn this language and when you will think to learn this language, if you want to become a fluent speaker, first of all you just do start speaking. This is my first trick. My second tips, tricks is practicing. Friend, you know very well practice man perfect. You know very well this quote. Friend, this is not a joke. This is not a joke, or English speaking not a piece of cake. Friend, if you want to learn English, if you want to achieve the skill of speaking in English, because friend, English is widely speaking language and this language have to a lot power. This language can give you golden opportunity. This language can give you a golden opportunity to got a government job, to got a private sector job, and you can also use this skill, you can also making video like me on YouTube, you can also achieve lakh of subscriber, and you can also earn some money from YouTube and other social media platform. Yes, this is my point. This is a very good language that's really level up your position from 0 to hero. That's a very good things and very good language. Friend, if you want to achieve this language, if you want to become a fluent speaker, friend, I humble request to my stick number 2, my rule number 2. Friend, my tips number 2, you need practice. You need practice as much as possible. You need practice to a lot, because friend, because friend, practice is a one key to achieve anything. Yes friend, practice is a one thing to achieve anything friend. As much as you practice, you will become fluent too fast. You also know friend, one guys become a fluent speaker in 1 year, and also there have another guys, he can also achieve this fluency only 3 months. Friend, how it's possible? It's possible only practice. As much as you practice, you will become fluent too fast. Friend, my second point is you need to practice too a lot. Without practice, nothing can possible. Friend, that's why I suggest you, when you stay alone on your in your home, and when you are riding on your motorcycle, and when you going somewhere, and you can travel anywhere, and you can play, and you doing some homework, and if you are a housewife, when you cooking, when you do your cooking, you can also practice on your mind. I am cooking, I just cutting vegetable, and this way you can also practice. Because friend, practice is only one key that help you to achieve anything. If you practice, you can do anything. Yes friend, and you can also practice front of mirror. Friend, this is also good technique, it's called mirror technique. You can also practice front of mirror, and you can also practice with your mobile phone, and you can also go and practice loudly. Yes friend, this is my second tip with you. I just say two things. First thing is you just need to start your speaking. Second thing is practice. Friend, if you have no partner to practice, you can download CB application from Play Store, and there have a co-learner, and you no need to pay any single rupee. You can practice with them freely if you have a smartphone. And third thing is listening. Friend, listening is very much important to learning spoken English and learning any kind of language. Which language probably major people around us not speaking. In this language, you can also watch on YouTube English conversation video, English cartoon video, English cinema, each and everything on English language. That's also need, friend, because English is not our mother language. We are native speakers, so why we need to listening this language, friend. Listening also help you to achieve fluency, and also help you to become a fluent speaker. Yes friend, and my last and fourth point is you need to reading something. You can also read English newspaper and something in English. That's not too much important. First three things is most important, but four things, when you got time, you can also do this. Okay friend, that's all the points. That's this video really help you to learning English, and really help you. Please subscribe my channel, and also help me to making this kind of content. Thank you. Bye bye.